This video will cover installing the Zoom client on various apps. Let's start with Windows in your Chrome browser. Go to zoom.us. Zoom.com will actually also get you there. At the top, you're going to look for the Resources button. Drop that down and choose Download Zoom Client. At the very top is the one you want, Zoom Client for Meetings. Now on a computer, the kids don't need this. They will need it for a mobile device. So run the installer, give it the permissions that it needs to install. You can actually minimize your browser window or click the Zoom client at the bottom. It's already opened and running itself, so you can sign into it at this time with your school email address for the account you've already set up previously. Remember not to choose the sign in with Google option. Once you've signed into the app, you'll be able to begin scheduling meetings. For you Mac users, the installation process is very similar. Again, in your Chrome browser, go to zoom.us, click Resources, download Zoom Client, and once again, the version that's best for your machine will be at the top, Zoom Client for Meetings. Here's where it looks a little different from Windows. You run the install package, give it the permissions that it asks for. You get the option to move the installer file to the trash. That's handy. And the Zoom client will open, and from here you can sign in. You can choose to stay signed in, but since I have more than one Zoom account, I usually uncheck that option. And from here, you can start your meeting, or you can schedule a meeting. On a Chromebook, the process is similar again. Go to zoom.us, and at the top, once again, look for Resources and download Zoom Client. Again, it will be the choice on top, Zoom Client for Meetings. The only difference this time is you'll jump directly over to the Chrome Web Store in the Apps section. You'll click the blue Add to Chrome button and confirm that you want to add the app. In a moment, your download will be complete, and you could even launch the app directly from this page for the first time. You could also go directly to the lower left corner to the App Launcher button. You'll see it listed as a recent app, but for future reference, you can open the apps and find it there. Now you can sign into the app and start using it. Teachers could run a meeting from a mobile device like an iPad. Just go to the App Store and search for Zoom. It'll be called Zoom Cloud Meetings, and it'll be the app with over 1 million downloads. Once it's installed, you can open it and sign in just as you would on your desktop. For students, they do not need to sign into this. They don't need a Zoom account. They would just click the blue button that says Join a Meeting if they're using a mobile device. When a student clicks a Zoom meeting link for the first time on a Chromebook or other computer, they'll have the option to install that app, or they can simply choose the option at the bottom of the screen that says Join from your browser. In our next video, we'll look at setting up and configuring your Zoom for your classes.